How to link two Revit models using Autodesk BIM Collaborate Pro. Open the same project by two different users. In WIP folder, open your Revit model. In the right side we have a structural model in Structure Team, in the left side we have an architectural model in Architecture Team. Open Design Collaboration from the product picker on the top left corner. Now, when you open the Home tool, each team can view only their own model, which they've uploaded in the previous step. When you expand the project timeline, each team can now see only their model, represented by a filled square, where its location on the project's timeline indicating the upload date. Back to Team Home. The Architecture team will now create a package to share with the Structure team. A package that will contain a 3D model. Now the package is ready to be shared. In the project timeline, the architectural package will be visible for the Structure team. You can explore the package before consuming it. If you want to link this model with your structural model, click the Consume button in the top right corner. Select the Project Model button to see the two models linked together. You can show or hide either one of them. Now you have one unified model containing both structural and architectural models.